Ayan. Okay. Nana is going to the Philippines now. Let's go.
I don't see it that way. But it's a very organized the way I would do things.
She's going to check in inside. Nanay, Zaira, and her daughter, Ruby. Yeah. Hello, Philippines. Ayan na si Nanay Zaira. First time niya ulit makauwi sa Philippines. Ang buhat na mapunta siya rito. 98. Yeah. Go.
Tama na si Ron, no? Nanay na lang.
Ayan na si Nanay.
United na lang yan.
Kahit saan yan ay. Basta sando kayo sa gate E.
Tama na.